Welcome everybody, my name is Michael or Kubera, and today we are discussing about why Bitcoin currently has not surpassed $20,000 and why it is hovering in the $19,000 range, sometimes very, very close, but there is a fair bit of resistance. So why is that? Let us roll the intro and let's get into it. First of all, psychological barriers, well, they're present in cryptocurrencies, they're present in stocks, they're present in commodities, they're present everywhere. Psychological barriers are why people buy, sell, short. They have a lot of fear. You can check out volatility based on the fear indexes. And there's FOMO, there's everything. There is everything happening around the psychological barriers. So whenever it gets really close to, for example, $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, and upcoming probably in the future $25,000, $30,000, $35,000, $40,000, every $5,000 increments, and especially every $10,000 increments, and especially around the $20,000 mark, considering it was the previous all-time high. Some websites were reporting that we beat the all-time high, but I say we have not beaten the all-time high. We were very, very close to the all-time high, but the all-time high is above $20,000, and many others also believe that as well. So the ultimate reason is very, very simple. There's a lot of people who maybe bought in at 15,000, 16,000, maybe below that. They have made profit, and some people are selling off and they hope to buy back in at a lower price, which maybe some people have already done so with slight corrections happening after we hit very, very close to the all-time high. And those would probably be professional traders, but a huge number of sellers are offering orders near the $20,000 level. So right below $19,900, $19,950, $19,999 and 99 cents, just as long as it's not that dang $20,000. So since there's a bunch of these people right there and there's a bunch of these orders, it's a huge wall, which has created a strong resistance level. People are trying to sell at this level because of the 2017, 2018 bull market and following bear crash cycle. For some, there's similarities between 2017 and 2020. There was a pretty crazy speed at which we just blasted past some resistance. $20,000 is like psychological warfare for some people. It is the range that, oh my God, once we get past that, once we blast through resistance, it's going to be very easy to go to the next levels and reach a new all-time high and make history. But there's this emotional mindset, the buy the dip mentality, that's really kind of slowing things down a little bit. And maybe this is good for the long run because we want it to be stable. We don't want it to be a straight arrow and everyone's going to be going, oh, it's a bubble again. It only took a month for Bitcoin to go from $14,000 to very, very near $20,000. There's also some technical aspects to look at. Market fundamentals. There's a lot of Bitcoin hodlers who are whales. They have huge impact. Some are holding over 1,000 BTC, some 5,000 BTC or more. And these individuals are not withdrawing from exchanges, which makes people wonder, hey, what's going on? The fact that the whales don't withdraw means that Bitcoin is available for selling. If whales think the price will go up a lot, they'll withdraw the Bitcoin a lot. So there's a lot of people who are taking profits. There's whales who are ready to sell their BTC. But again, these whales might have already made millions and millions of dollars worth of profits. So it's going to be a lot of people that we have to go through in order to get past $20,000. But it's not like that hasn't happened before. It will happen again. It's just going to be slow and steady. And this is a good thing. Again, people are making money. It's not crazy. It's not a bubble. There's market fundamentals. There's reasons for this. It's as simple as market psychology. But the more pressure that happens, the higher we get, the closer we get to $20,000, the more people will want to go above and make more money. So when will it happen? Will it happen this week, later this month, maybe in January? Well, that's for us to see. But Bitcoin's doing really well right now, above $19,200. So that is today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit us up for the next video, subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow. We did a live stream today, probably another live stream next week. Bye.